Hi, I'm Carolina. I'm the Learning Experience Manager here at Coursebox. And in this tutorial, I will show you how to create interactive quizzes using Coursebox AI. Quizzes are always a powerful way to reinforce learning, to check understanding, and to make sure that your learners stay engaged with your course content. With Coursebox, you can create quizzes using AI, select from question types, and configure settings in just a few clicks. So let's get started. Select the course that you want to add a quiz to. I'm going to select this one. You can add a quiz to any sections in your course within those pages, or you can create a page designated for a quiz. The text editor box will appear. This is a good opportunity for you to write some instructions and some guidance to your learners around what the quiz is about and how to take the quiz. If you don't want to, you can always delete that. So here there are two ways that you can add a quiz to your lessons. Using the bottom menu, go to Assessments Quiz or AI Quiz. And the prompt will appear where it's asking you to generate questions based on either the course content or a description of what you want this quiz to be about. You could say something like, create a short quiz on cutting dog's hair. I'm going to use the course content and I'm going to ask for 3 questions. Make sure you set the number of questions and generate. Now the AI is looking at my course content and generating questions relating to that. It only takes a couple of seconds and the quiz will appear on the screen. Here we go. Here's our quiz. So at this point, we will not look at the settings yet, but in this section down here, at this point, I can edit my questions. I can also edit my answers. I can select a different answer. I can delete the questions if I'm not happy with those. I can also add additional questions. So I could add multiple choice with multiple answers, short answer, or a drag and drop. I'm going to add a short answer so I can show you what that looks like. And I'm also going to add a drag and drop. Okay, now that I've got my questions and my question types, I want to go back to question 1. There's something I want to show you that's important. If this toggle is on, shuffle the answers order, it means that each time the learner reattempts the quiz, the order of the answers will be in a different spot. This prevents learners from memorizing the correct answers. Now let's take a look at the quiz settings. So by default, the pass grade is set to 80, but you can change that with the arrows up and down, or you can just type in the number. Another important setting is show correct answers when partially correct. What this means is when this is ticked, that students can see which of their selected answers are correct and which are incorrect. Another important setting is reset the quiz upon reattempt. What this means is when the students restart the quiz, their original responses will be displayed, so they can only need to update the ones that are incorrect. And then the last setting that you need to worry about is the graded quiz. What this means when it's ticked is the quiz becomes graded and the student score will count towards the overall course grade. So now that we've created that, let's take a look at the student view. And so this is what the student will see when they start the quiz. Let's take the quiz so we can see what the experience is like. As you can see, when I get the correct answers, I get feedback as well. And the drag and drop works like this. And that's it. That's all there is to creating interactive quizzes with Coursebox AI. Take a look at our other tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.